Okay, so now I am letting my bigger soldering iron heat up so that I might remove this battery, which I believe has leaked onto this Amiga 2000 board. Usually, these irons heat up pretty quick. Oh yeah, okay. We have smoke. So, and I have it pulled in, that's on the 140 watt setting. So, I'm going to, with great quickness, I believe, at least I'm going to try, get this down on the board. On the place that this connects to the board. And wiggle it out. Alright, what's going on here? It's funny, you know, the first one I did went so well. Alright, I'm holding this one. There is a little wee screwdriver. Once again, I do not want to hurt the circuit board any more than it has been hurt. So, I am hoping Alright, this does not seem to be doing it. I'm kind of baffled. Because the first time I did this, and even though I should have done it long ago, it went quite well. What is going on here? Do we have heat? Well, we have some. It melts that solder. It went so well. It went so easy. All right. I'm going around the other side here. And this is the side that has two connectors. Oh, that one. Okay, that's moving. Okay, hang on. Maybe I was on the wrong spot on the other side. Oh, yeah. Okay. Ooh. Okay, well, we're half out. Okay, so now this is likely going to be warm. And as I remember, it was right at the bottom here. Right there. That's where it should be. That it should be. Well, I melted something. Okay. Well, that one didn't see. Oh, well. I suppose I could probably tidy it up. Ah, that's hot. Hot! Hot, 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 hot. Okay. So there is perhaps not the best way to remove the battery from an Amiga 2000. Maybe what I should be doing next time is going from the bottom. Anyway, the battery is out.